Alright guys, today I'm going to be bringing you another EzAlgo tutorial. This is probably one of my favorite strategies to use with EzAlgo. Reason being is because it is really no stress at all and the returns are monumental, right? So this is the long-term strategy using EzAlgo v3.5. Now the strategy goes like this. You want to be on a higher time frame, and when I say higher time frame, I don't mean 4, 8, 12, even the daily time frame. I'm talking about the 1 day, 2 day, or 3 day time frame. For the best results, really want to go on the 3 day time frame. And this is for your altcoin bags that you are holding, right? This is strictly for your long-term bags. You know, if that's a low cap altcoin, which is what I would recommend to use this strategy for, maybe it's even Bitcoin, but for the best results, you really want to use this strategy on some of your long-term bags. So you're not bag holding through a potential bear market, right? If you had bought Veracity up here, for example, this is one of my favorite altcoins, you would be down, right, 96% right now if you're still holding, and we don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is hit the first link in the description below to get yourself EzAlgo first of all. And once you get EzAlgo, you're going to come up here to indicators, come down to invite only scripts, and then click on EzAlgo v3.5. all right, and we are going to change some of these settings here on EzAlgo. First thing we're going to do is change the sensitivity to 2.3. all right, anywhere from 2 to 2.5, but I find that 2.3 works very well. Of course, we're going to turn the stop loss to 0. All right, turn that stop loss to 0. We're going to keep the buy and sell on. Very important that we have the buy and sell signals on. We're also going to have the trend ribbon on, all right? Now, it is a must that you set alerts when you're doing this, okay? So come up here to this little alert icon, right? Or press Alt-A on your keyboard. Set the condition to EzAlgo v3.5 to a buy or sell signal, all right? Personally, I would do either a buy or sell signal. Just makes it a little bit easier. Then do once per bar close and make sure you have a notify on app and a send email, all right? And you can also automate this, right? So people ask if I want to automate a strategy, how do I do that? And I haven't automated this myself, but you could use a third-party website like 3 Commas, for example, and you can trade based on the buy and sell EzAlgo signals on a 3-day time frame if you choose to do so, right? So, you know, you can make the alert name something and then change the message, maybe Vera 3-day signal, something like that, right? Vera 3-day signal. Oh, I can't type. You get the gist of it though, right? So you definitely want to create alerts when you're using the strategy. I have alerts set up on the 1 day and 2 day time frame for Veracity. I wouldn't recommend this for trading, okay? I'd recommend this for your spot bags, right? So no leverage. This is strictly for long-term investments, and it doesn't just work on crypto, right? It doesn't just work on crypto. You can go to stocks as well and do the same exact thing, right? If I go to, you know, the Apple, right? Look at this. You'll see it pretty much nails every single bottom with that buy signal. So you know exactly when to get back into the market. And if I'm trading stocks with this, I'm probably going to turn the sensitivity down to maybe like a 2 sensitivity. If I'm trading stocks, right? That looks a little bit better. So the sensitivity does range from asset to asset. But I do like anywhere from the 2 to 2.5 sensitivity. And like I said, this will just help you buy back into the market at the right time, right? And like I said, I'm on a higher time frame. You could also go down to, like I said, you know, maybe the 2 day or even the 1 day time frame. And you can see how accurate these signals are on even the 1 day and 2 day time frame. So if you are looking for a stress-free trading strategy, for some of your long-term holdings, whether that's a stock, whether that's a cryptocurrency, this is all you really need to do, all right? When it comes to timing the market and knowing when to get back in after a long downtrend, this is probably your best bet, right? So get EzAlgo, load this indicator in, make sure to set alerts, and you will be doing just fine. And I'm here on Tesla as well on the 2 day time frame. And you can see for yourself, right, how accurate these signals are, especially on stocks. So if you're holding some stocks long term and you want to know when to sell or buy back into the market, be sure to take advantage of this. And this is probably the most underappreciated aspect of EzAlgo. Most people just look at EzAlgo as strictly a scalping tool. Well, in reality, you'll get more out of this algo using it to track those long-term bags, all right? It can save you so much headache. Don't neglect setting alerts on some of these higher time frames for some of these coins and stocks, guys. You really don't want to be caught bag holding through a bear market and going down 90% on some of your bags, all right? I've been there. It sucks. It's not a good feeling. don't make yourself go through that if you don't have to, all right? Use an algorithmic indicator like EzAlgo to take away the guesswork for you, so you can finally start becoming profitable long term. Well, I hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope you're now applying this strategy to some of your current bags and stocks that you're looking at. EzAlgo is undergoing some huge updates, all right? You're not going to want to miss out, so stay tuned for some other EzAlgo updates. It is going to change the game, but really I'm working super hard to make sure this indicator is top notch and I'm not missing out on anything. And I'm taking all feedback into consideration. So if you have any suggestions, be sure to let me know in the Discord, stuff you'd like to see on some next updates, and I will get that done for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.